Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I am going to explain you a few programs on implementing programs using or applications using interface and packages. So let's get started. First, let's see what kind of programs we are going to do. So our first program is to develop an interface called event, which contains expenditure, prices as unimplemented methods, and a default method called welcome message and starting method called thank you message. And we have to create another interface called invitation, which is extending event, which contains design invitation as private member and display invitation as public method. So, and then we have to create two customized classes called birthday and symphysm to utilize the above structure. So let's see how we can code for that. So I have created an interface called event, just like how they mentioned in the question. I have created an interface called event, and then I have created expenditure and prices as unimplemented methods, and then a default method called welcome message, which is printing welcome, and a static method called thank you message, which is printing thank you message. So, and then I have again created another interface called invitation, which is extending event. It is extending this event interface. So, and in that I have created a private private method called design invitation, which is printing and again a message called welcome. So I have created another public method called display invitation, which is taking name, place, and number of people, like that. These are just arguments in the method which I have given. So since private methods can be accessed in outer classes, other classes which are outer than this particular interface, we can't use private method directly, we can call them directly. So I have created another default method called design. In that I have called this design invitation method, which is private. So using this default method, we can call outside this interface. So I have created a class called birthday, which is implementing this interface invitation, and then I have overridden all the methods which are in this invitation, and then I have created a class called symphysm, which is implementing event and invitation, and then I have overridden all the methods in them. And each particular class, birthday is going to print the birthday invitation and the expenditure for the birthday using the arguments that we have passed for this display invitation. And then this prices are going to give the total amount that which we have used for the particular thing, and expenditure gives us a total expenditure which we have spent for the birthday. And then this symphysm class is going to print the same but different kind of arguments. Like I have changed the arguments for the prices as box, split, and balloon, which are different from the above birthday class arguments, which are prices like food, gifts, and games. So, and then in the main class, in the main public class, I have given the arguments which are necessary for the display invitation method, and then I have called them so as to print the output. So it's just a demo of how we can use interfaces. So let's see. Let's run the program. See, it is printing as a birthday invitation, and it has printed the data which we have given here. So I have given the data, so that it is printing it, and then the expenditure and the total amount. So this is how we do the program for this. Now let's go to the next program. So next program is to create two interfaces such as maths operable and trigonometric operable, which contains the functions to perform the basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. and then trigonometric operations such as sine, cosine, tan, etc. So we need to create an abstract class called calculator with details such as number 1, number 2 and result, and we have to add necessary constructors and then implement these interfaces and inherit the class and operation class to perform the specific operations. We need to use a menu driven program for this. So let's see this. I have created an interface called maths operable and trigonometric operable, which are having necessary member functions inside them. These are not having any arguments, and I have given one argument for this trigonometric operable interface, and then I have created an abstract class called calculator, which is implementing these above two interfaces. And then I have created member functions like number 1, number 2 and result, just like how they described in the question. And then I have given necessary constructors like calculator, and I have with calculator with 0 arguments and 2 arguments, and then again an operation class which is extending this calculator class, this abstract calculator class, which is also having 2 constructors with 0 arguments and 2 arguments. And you have used this. I have used a super class, super keyword to take the values from the above calculator class. And then I have overridden in this operation class, I have overridden all the methods like add, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and then for sine, cosine, and etc. I have given necessary information for them. And then in the main class, I have given a menu-driven code so as to take information from the user, like if he wants to add or subtract, and what number or what value for the particular A and particular B, and then what kind of operation they have to use. And then I have created an object for object using operation, and then I have given a if-else condition so as to print the necessary option that the user wants to calculate. So let us run this code and see how this works. So I am running this code here. Yeah, so it is asking us to select a particular operation. Let's say multiplication. It is asking for a number to enter. Let's say 4, and enter number for B 5. Yes, it has given as a result as 20. Let us run again, and now let's see the trigonometric operation. 6. Let's see cosine. Enter the value for cosine. Let's say 45. Just giving us a value of 45 degree, cosine 45 degrees. So this is how we can use interfaces. Using interfaces, we have given the code for this. We have even used abstract class and even inheritance method to implement this kind of calculator. So let's go on to the next program. So our last program is to develop an application in Java for automating the banking operations using packages. So we have to create a account class in package 1 and savings account class in current account class, both of which inherits the account class in package 2. So we have to give a menu driven operation for that. So let's see how this is going to do, how we can do this using packages. So I have created a package called package 1, which is having a public class called savings account, and I have given the necessary conditions like to take the transactions and to display the balance, withdrawing, depositing, and also interest. So again, I have created another package which is having a current account class, which is extending the package 1. From the package 1, it is extending savings account. So we have to keep in mind that whenever we are writing the code, importing packages and importing other classes, we have to make sure that the package keyword comes first as a first line, and then the other things has to follow it. So I have imported package 1 in this package 2, and after importing I have created a class called current account class, which is extending savings account from package 1, and then I have given necessary information which has to be done in the current account. I have just overridden the functions and methods from the saving account, and I have changed some of the things accordingly so that it will work for the current account. So in this I have also given a main class called account main class, which is asking for the user information. So it's a menu driven code for code we are having here. I have created an object using savings account, and then necessary menu driven code so as to ask the user like what kind of option they want to choose, and then it is going to execute it. So let's see how this works. We cannot run our program in this package 1 since we are not having any runtime information here. So all the information which we can run and take from the user we are having here. So we have to run here. Let's run this code in this package. So here it is asking us choose type of account. Let's say savings account. It is asking for view balance or deposit, withdraw and exit. So let's say deposit. Let's just deposit some value. Enter depositing amount, let's say 200. It is asking for pin. Here in my code I have given a pin called Java. So if I give the particular pin itself, if the pin is matching to the pin that I have given in my code, then it will execute, otherwise it won't. So let's say Java. So rupees 200 has been deposited to your account. Let's see if how it was done. So let's view our balance. Yeah, it has given the amount here. In my program I have given a balance as basic balance as 1000. So by default it is having 1000 rupees inside it, and if we add 200 to it, it is showing us 1200. And interest it has calculated as 0.05 interest on the amount which we are depositing, and it has calculated as 60 rupees for this 200, and it has added that, and my total balance is 1260. So let's see the current account, how it will be displaying. So it can run here. So let's go here and run again. So let's now choose current account. Let's see the deposit. In current account we can deposit as much money as we want. So let's give a huge number, enter pin Java, and yeah, it has been deposited. Let's see. Yeah, it is giving us the balance amount. Here in our current class we are not having any interest, so it is not adding any interest. And now let's see the withdraw option. Let's say withdraw 1000, enter pin Java. It has been withdrawn. Now let's see our balance. Yeah, this 1000 rupees has been deducted. So this is how we can create a banking system using interfaces, packages and inheritance. So hope you understood these 3 programs well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.